Once you've done all this, this is what your plot looks like. All right, today we're going to make a diverging dot plot. Much like the last 2 weeks, you need to use the data in empty cars and make new columns called car name based on the row names. We're going to normalize the MPG in a column called MPGZ, where you do the MPG minus the mean over the standard deviation. MPG type as a new column as an if-else statement. So if it's a MPG if it's a normalized MPG below 0, the bar goes to the left, or the dot in this case, and if it's above 0, it goes to the right. So therefore, we're going to sort it. We're going to sort our data on the normalized MPG, and then we're going to factor it based on car name with level based on car name. So you need to do all of this first. So pause it if you need to, type this out, and then we're going to move on to our ggplot. Last week we did a lollipop chart. This week we're doing a dot plot similar to this, just minus the lines. Therefore, ggplot, empty cars, x is the car name, y is the normalized MPG, and we're going to label it by the normalized MPG. This is a point chart, stat identity, and our color is going to be based on MPG type and a size of 6. Scale color manual, therefore we choose the colors we want, so you get to choose anything here. We're going to name it by mileage. Our labels are going to be above average and below average, but the values are going to be based on above equals this color, below equals this color. Again, you can choose whichever color you'd like. The text color is going to be white. So the text inside our dots is going to be white at a size of 2, therefore we can see the normalized MPG inside our dots. Then we're going to add the labels and our y limits. Don't forget coordinate flip, so that way you turn it on its side and you can read everything on the plot. Once you've done all of this, this is what your plot looks like. Your car name, your MPG normalized between negative 2.5 to 2.5. Why are those the numbers chosen? It helps condense the range of your data seen here. You have your text inside each bubble in white as we determined. And if it's below 0, it's red, and if it's above 0, it's green. That is your diverging dot plot. Stay tuned for next week when we begin an area chart.